But this is typically what people do, and this is what's referred to as soft grid, where you have text frames and you have components, and you sort the layouts and you change or you set the spacing between those text frames. So in this case, for example, this frame has a height of 20 pixels because the line height is 20 pixels, and in CSS and also in Figma, since Figma emulates CSS to a large extent, the text inside that box is centered vertically. So that means that as long as we can see those bounding boxes, it looks like everything is fine. But if you remove those boxes, like you will do for the end users, then these are the distances we have between the baseline grids. And as you can see, those are all over the place. So I'm a proponent of what's called a hard grid. And that's where you adjust your spacing between the baselines of the text instead of all those invisible boxes. Because if you create a newspaper article, for example, you want the lines of every column to be in the same vertical alignment. So this is an early attempt on using baseline grid in Figma. And as you can see here, I'm measuring the distance between the baseline in the header and the baseline of the first paragraph. And that's how I ensure that I have a harmonious distance between the different elements.